So right now we have our first look related to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Galaxy S25 Ultra come with a super beast performance that we have never seen on any phone before. And right now we have the Geek B6 benchmark score of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 have a 2,284 single-core score, and we have a 8,940 multi-core score. And these numbers are so much powerful, and if we talking about the speed, Galaxy S25 Ultra will break records, and Qualcomm has surpassed Apple. And if we compare CPU performance, Samsung completely destroy the Apple in the term of CPU performance. And if we talking about the graphic performance, Snapdragon Agent 4 is equally bonkers, the insane GPU upgrade. And finally, Galaxy S25 Ultra come with a satellite connectivity feature. According to the software, COD League coming via Android Authority, a new satellite connectivity feature come in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. With the help of satellite connectivity, you can and receive emergence text message. And with the S25 series, we're going to see a mature version of the One UI 7.0. And according to the source, Samsung is currently solving some issues before they can get this out to the beta developers. So due to this reason, the One UI 7.0 is that the update is actually delayed. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.